Hello dear students, do you like to listen to stories? Yes. Okay, so today is a story time and we will learn and understand the story Yash and Moti. Okay student, so let's start. We will read and listen the story and I will also explain it to you. 1.4 Story Time Yash and Moti. Listen and repeat. Yash was happy. His mother bought him new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. He went out to look at his new shoes. Oh no! He cried. There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe? He looked everywhere. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then, Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked, bow wow, bow wow. Yash looked at Moti. Moti, have you seen my shoe? Bow wow, bow wow. Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yash followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. Now look here. Here is a tree and here is a hole and in this hole there is a shoe. A big fat rat had carried it there. Yash picked it up. Thank God, he said, the rat has not nibbled my shoe. It is in good condition. Bow wow, Moti agreed. Thank you, Moti, said Yash. You may look in the textbook, page number 7. Yash was happy. His mother bought him new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. He went out to look at his new shoes. Oh no! He cried. There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe? He looked everywhere. Now I will explain this paragraph to you. So once there was a boy and his name was Yash. One day his mother bought a new pair of shoes to him. ना एक लड़का था, उसका नाम था यश और एक दिन उसकी मम्मी ने उसके लिए क्या लाए? शूज, है ना? Then that night यश go to bed very early, है ना? उस दिन यश बहुत जल्दी सो गया. देखो बच्चों, जब आपके मम्मी पापा भी आपको कुछ नई चीज लाते हैं ना, तब आप बहुत एक्साइटेड होते हो, है ना? और वो चीज अपने पास ही रखते हो, उसको छोड़ते ही नहीं हो. तो वैसे यश के साथ कुछ हुआ था. And he was so excited to wear that shoes. And that's why next morning he woke up very soon. है ना? दूसरे दिन वो बहुत ही जल्दी उठ गया. And then he went outside of his house to wear his shoes. और फिर जल्दी से उठ के वो अपने शूज पहनने के लिए घर के बाहर चला गया. And that time what happened? Do you know what happened? क्या हुआ पता है आपको? There is only one shoe. And one shoe was missing. एक शू वहां पे नहीं था, है ना? And that time Yash was shout loudly, oh no, there is only one shoe here and where is my other shoe? वो एकदम जोर से चिल्लाया कि यहाँ पे एक ही शू है और दूसरा शू गया कहाँ पे? And so he looked here and there for his shoe, but he never got it and so he became so sad. वो बहुत ही दुखी हो गया, है ना? Now next paragraph. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked, bow wow, bow wow. Yash looked at Moti. Moti, have you seen my shoe? है ना? then what happened? He couldn't find his shoe. He looked everywhere, but he didn't get his shoe, and that's why he became sad, and then sat outside on a step, and he began to sob. Sob or sobbing. Sobbing means crying loudly. Sobbing का मतलब क्या होता है? Crying loudly. और फिर वो जोर जोर से रोने लगा. And then Yash had one pet dog, and the name of his pet dog was Moti. है ना? यश का एक पालतू कुत्ता था और उसका नाम था मोती. And when Moti heard the noise of Yash crying, and then he came towards the Yash, और मोती ने यश के रोने की आवाज सुनी और फिर मोती भाग के यश के पास आया. And then the Moti began to wagging his tail. Wagging means move the tails of animals. ना animals होते हैं ना, वो अपनी tails होती पूंछ, उसको क्या करते हैं? ऐसे हिलाते हैं. So the Moti also came towards the Yash and he began to wagging his tail. It means he wanted to ask the Yash that why he was crying. मतलब वो यश को पूछ रहा था कि तू क्यों रो रहा है. And then the Moti also barked that bow wow. और वो उसने ऐसे आवाज निकाली. And then when the Yash looked at Moti, फिर यश ने मोती को देखा. That time the Yash asked very cryingly to the Moti that Moti, have you seen my shoe? ना मोती तूने मेरे शू देखे क्या? ऐसा वो रोते रोते उसको पूछ रहा था, है ना? Now we will learn next paragraph. Bow wow. Moti barked and ran to a tree in front yard. Yash followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. Yash picked it up. And then what happened? Then Moti took the Yash near the tree. ना मोती ने क्या किया? यश को लेके वो एक पेड़ के पास चला गया, है ना? Near a tree. The tree was in front yard of his house. है ना? Front yard means, what is meant by front yard? Front yard means piece of the land in front of the house, near the house. है ना? हमारे घर के सामने का जो एरिया है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Front yard. And there was one tree. And so Moti took the Yash to near the tree. और फिर मोती यश को पेड़ के पास लेके गया. And there was a hole under a tree. और फिर उस पेड़ के नीचे एक होल था, है ना? And when Yash saw that hole, he became surprised. है ना? यश ने उस होल को देखा और वो चौंक गया, है ना? Can you tell why the Yash was surprised? आप बता सकते हैं क्या यश क्यों चौंक गया? Yes, the Yash was surprised because that his shoe was in that hole. क्योंकि उसका जो शू था ना, जो गुम हो गया था, वो कहाँ पे था? उस होल में था. And that's why Yash was surprised. Can you guess who carried that shoe there? है ना? आप बता सकते हैं क्या वो शू किसने लाया होगा? Yes, a big fat rat carried that shoe there. एक बड़ा सा जो रैट था ना, फैट रैट, तो उसने वो शू वहां से उसके घर के आगे से लाके उस होल में डाल दिया था. And when Yash saw his shoe, he became so happy. ना वो बहुत खुश हो गया. And immediately Yash picked that shoe. और जल्दी से भाग के यश ने अपना शू वहां से उठा लिया. Now come on the page number 8. We will read and understand last paragraph. Thank God, he said. The rat has not nibbled my shoe. It is in good condition. Bow wow. Moti agreed. Thank you, Moti, said Yash. Then, whenever Yash and Moti reached at home, then the Yash thanking to God for what? For his shoe. And one more thing was that the shoe was in a good condition, है ना? और यश ने फिर भगवान का शुक्रिया अदा किया क्योंकि उसको उसका शू वापस मिल गया था और उसका शू अच्छा था. इट वॉज इन अ गुड कंडीशन. द रैट हैज नॉट निबल्ड दैट शू. व्हाट इज मीन बाय निबल्ड? निबल्ड मीन्स टू कट ऑफ विथ टीथ, है ना. जो रैट होते हैं ना वो क्या करते हैं, कोई सी भी चीज को ना अपने दांत से अपने टीथ से क्या करते हैं, काटते हैं. बट the Yash shoe was in good condition. It was not nibbled by the rat. जो यश का शू था वो बहुत ही अच्छा था, उसको रैट ने बिल्कुल भी काटा नहीं था, बिल्कुल भी खराब नहीं किया था. And that's why Yash thanked to God, ना, and he was so happy. And then he also thanks to the Moti, है ना. यश ने मोती को भी थैंक यू बोला. Because why? Because without the Moti he would not have find his shoe, है ना. और मोती के बिना उसको अपना शू नहीं मिल सकता था, है ना. He would not have found his shoe without the Moti, and that's why he also give thanks to Moti. So like this way, that day the Yash was so happy that he got his shoe returned back. So student, I hope you like this story very much. So today you also read this story at your home. And now we will read some important words from this story. Now I will read the words with spelling and please you may listen it very very carefully. So first, yes, H-O-E, yes, shoes. Yes, H-O-E, yes, shoes. Next word, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. S-O-B-B-E-D, stop. S-O-B-B-E-D, stop. W-A-G-G-I-N-G, wagging. W-A-G-G-I-N-G, wagging. B-A-R-K-E-D, bark. B-A-R-K-E-D, bark. Y-A-R-D, yard. Y-A-R-D, yard. N-I-B-B-L-E-D, nibbled. N-I-B-B-L-E-D, nibbled. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N, condition. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N, condition. G-O-O-D, good. G-O-O-D, good. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried. C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried. P-I-C-K-E-D, picked. P-I-C-K-E-D, picked. Shoes, pair of shoes. Okay. Then morning means सुबह. Soft, जोर से रोना. Wagging मतलब to move the tail of animals. एनिमल जो अपनी पूंछ हिलाते हैं, that is called the wagging. Bark means bow wow, भौंकना, है ना. bow wow, bark. Yard means the piece of land in front of our house. Then nibble means to cut off with a teeth, ना, teeth से काटना. Then condition means स्थिति. Then good means Then bought मतलब लेके आना, कौन भी चीज है ना. Here the mother bought the shoes for Yash. So bought means लाना, लेके आना. Then carried means लेके जाना. Okay, and picked means उठाना. What is meant by picked? उठाना. So shoes, morning, sock, bedding, bath, yard, nibble, condition, good, bought, carried, picked. Okay, student. So today you may copy down these all words in your notebook and read it, and also try to read the story.